Hello quiz lovers! Quiz Helper here with an exciting tutorial video on the Canva Bulk Create tool. If you purchased one of my premium templates or would like to know how to quickly create quiz videos using Canva Pro, you came to the right place. Are you ready? Let's go! If you don't already have a set of questions and answers, head on over to ChatGPT to help you create a formatted list of questions and answers right away. I'll put the prompt I used to generate the response in the description. If you purchased one of my premium Canva templates, go ahead and make a copy of the template. Open the copy and delete the second and third video slides. We will be focusing only on answer A right now. First thing to do is update the channel name watermark on the right side. You may have to move it to be able to adjust it. Then, make sure to add your channel logo wherever you'd like. I used the top right corner. Make sure the logo is not at the top of your elements and that it's stretched out to fit the entire length of the video slide. Now, on the left-hand menu, scroll down to the Bulk Create tool option. Click on Enter Data Manually. Click on Clear Table on the bottom left. Go back to your ChatGPT window and copy the headers, questions, and answers. I'm only selecting the first two questions for this demonstration. Copy and paste your selection from ChatGPT and click on the Add Image option. Please have all of your pictures ready and uploaded before you begin this process. Choose the correct picture for each question. Make sure the slider is hovering over the first three answer options in the timeline. Then click on the page number, not the group, and click Connect Data, and click on Page Number. Right-click on the question title, select Connect Data, and click on the question option. Move the timeline slider to the right a bit, and right-click on the picture, not the group, connect the data to the image option. Then click on the text in each answer box, not the group, and connect the data. Answer 1 to answer A, then B, and then C. Move the slider to the right again, this time over the next answer option boxes. We will need to reconnect the data to answers A, B, and C. Yes, again. Move the timeline slider to the right again over the last three answer options, and, once again, connect the data to answers A, B, and C. Also notice that there is another image box element. We will have to select this picture, not the group, and right-click, Connect Data, and choose the image option. Now we go back to the Bulk Create tool and click Continue, and then click Create Design. Let's see how it came out. Important! Please note that due to Canva limitations, you will have to copy and paste the sound effects from the first video slide to the rest. Highlight all of the sounds and hit Ctrl+C. Hit the back arrow, then right-click on the next videos and click Paste. And there you have it! Remember, this demonstration was only for answer A. You will have to repeat this process for answers B and C. Also, make sure to stagger your page numbers when using the Bulk Create tool so they are in random order. Here's an example of a 30-question quiz table with staggered page numbers. I hope this Bulk Create tutorial can help you start creating hundreds of quiz videos immediately. Before I forget, please like the video and subscribe to my channel to support me. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. If you purchased a template, please message me on Etsy. Happy quizzing!